My toilet handle broke off. Another day, another homeowner problem. So today we are replacing this. I learned that when your handle breaks off, it's best to replace the whole handle mechanism. Here we have Korky heavy duty handle. It looks a little bit different, but it's also white. So hopefully it will look good, and we're gonna figure out how to do this. A few things about this project. This is my first time attempting this. I have like replaced a flapper and stuff before in the toilet, but never the whole handle mechanism. So if this turns out successful and I can do it, you can too. As you can see, I got my toilet opened up. So we are just gonna go ahead and pull this mechanism out. You know what? Step one should be turn off the water. Right, there we go. All right, drain the water out. And I'm gonna unhook this. Okay, if you're new to the anatomy of a toilet, basically what happens is you push the lever down, which raises this up, the water goes out. When it closes, this little bobber floats up, which stops the water from running. So basically, we just need a new lever mechanism to lift the flapper. Here is our mechanism out of the packaging. We are gonna start by removing these clips so that we can thread it through that little hole there. I took this little guy out of that hole. So my next step is to unscrew this nut and put this guy into here. A note about these nuts, they are reverse threaded, so lefty tighty, righty loosey. Position elbow 30 degrees from tank. Check. Position arm parallel to tank. This hook was included in this new setup. So we're gonna put it through this little hole on the end here. Don't be awkward. Don't be awkward. Aha! Sure, okay. And we get the chain and put it on here with minimal slack. Okay, now we're gonna turn the water back on and put her to a test run. Maiden voyage. Victory is mine! Hope that was helpful, guys. If it isn't too much trouble, hit that like and subscribe button. I'm pointing to the buttons, not the toilet. Hopefully this comes across. Anyway, helps me out a ton. I super appreciate it. Good luck in your future plumbing endeavors. We can do this. We got this.